Hello guys, welcome again to Math Principles. Today we're just going to look again at another simple equation where the square root of m times the square root of m times the square root of m is equals to 128. How do we get the value of m? Here we'll just simply use the simple method which we all know. We are going to start by squaring off to get out the square root, which will have the square root of m times the square root of m times the square root of m all square is equal to 128 square. We see that the square root cancels with the square root, so this gives us now m root m root m is equal to 128 all square. Here we also put square again on both sides, which will become, we square these two sides. The square now cancel with this square, putting the square here, which will give us now m square times m root m is equal to 128. This times this is 4. Looking at this again, we have to take out this, so we square again the both sides. And now after squaring the both sides, we have again m2 times 2 times m square times this cancels this now. M is equal to 128. This times this is 8. Now looking at this, we have now m to the power 4 times m square times m raised to the power 1 is equal to 128 to the power 8. Now using the principle where we have if a raised to the power b times a raised to the power c, this implies a will become a to the power b plus c. So use this formula and this principle, we have now m to the power 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 128 to the power 8. And here now we see that 4 plus 1 plus 2 gives us now m to the power 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 7 is equal to 128 raised to the power 8. Looking at this equation now, we see that 128 is basically m to the 7 is equal to have be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, basically up to the power up to 7, which that will give us now, which 128 is equal to 2 raised to the power 7, which is equal to 128. Now we see now that m to the 7 will be equal to 2 raised to the power 7, all in bracket, raised to the power 8. And now, which is basically m to the power 7 is equal to 2 to the power 7 times 8. Now we look at this and we see that the only way to equate this equation to get the value of m as fast as possible, we basically divide the powers both sides with 1 on 7, which m to the power 7 bracket 1 on 7 is equal to 2 raised to the power 7 times 8. I don't want to finish the multiplication. To the power 1 on 7. From these two, we see now that this 7 is going to cancel this 7, giving us m is equal to this 7 is going to cancel with this 7, giving us 2 to the power 8. And from here, we see that we physically come to the end of our solution, giving us m is equal to 2 to the power 8, which m will be equal to 256, which basically we can actually test this theory if you just put the square root of m, which is 200, and this multiply by the square root of m again, we're going to have a final answer. Thank you for watching this video, and see you all in the next video. If you actually like our solutions, please subscribe and share, and see you all in the next video. Thanks.